Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. And today I just bought this actually, the 3-tier chest drawer. So this is unboxing for this brand Mox. So this is the front model, description, color, packaging, and this is it if you after summer. Alright, and then on the side it's color white. Oh, that's it. So okay, papan ni nipis kan?
So ini tu apa, drawer.
Okay, it's my friend Daus.
Hi.
Thank you for helping. So yang this one, oh, okay.
Ini belakang dia.
So we have 3 that slim one, and then one that like double space like that, and oh, pecah. Sekejap. Alah.
Stop dulu ke?
Okay, there's one item crack a bit, so I'm not really happy, but let's see how it goes after this, what we can do with it. Okay, how many of them?
Different. This one is 2, this one is 2.
Oh, couple. So okay. Oh, there's different ni.
Sebab dia mungkin untuk bahagian depan ataupun sisi.
Okay. It's 2 of it.
This one with hole.
There's hole, and then same thickness, but same size.
Yep. Same size.
Okay. We have this thick with a hole. That's it. We have 3. Okay.
Another 4 of these.
Another 4. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All same thickness, and there's 2 holes, double hole. Okay. For drawer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. How many is this?
I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 set. 6.
6. Oh yeah, 3 drawers. Two identical for the side, I guess.
Yep.
Yeah.
And last one of this. Ini dia punya kaki.
What's that?
Kaki dia.
Ah, I see.
For the leg one.
Put the leg on. 4.
Yeah, 4. And screw
Is that manual?
Yep, manual.
Okay, let me terang sikit. Okay. There. So this first bottle number, and then number 1, seat officers, number 2, number 3, then number, what is it, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's it. Yes, manual. Okay, thank you.
Then
Alright, so that's the unboxing for this Mix&Match furniture 3-tier chest and drawer. Thank you for watching. The link will be below the video if you're interested to buy it. Okay, bye. Thank you.